not yours.
Okay, tell him which ones are his, Aiden.
Noah, that one's yours. Yours. There's Noah. Remote control! Alright, no, that one was control.
I know who that one's from.
Guys, I think I'm gonna get Lego Watch here.
What is that, Noah?
Incoming Lego Watch!
What?
I can smell it from here. That smells like red meat Ron. Am I right? Am I right?
Yep.
That's cool, Noah.
Guys,
Look at that, Noah.
I got
A
Anakin.
57 Chevy, just like Papa Ron's.
Say thank you, Papa Ron.
Thank you for that.
We just about.
Don't pull it yet.
Right.
Oh,
Just
blue!
Okay, push the button on it. Push the button, see what it does.
We did. I told him, I said, well, let me ask Lori. Wow.
Oh, cool.
That, Noah.
Guys, look! Guys!
Diane,
What?
that still needs your splash.
I know, I just told Lori.
Guys!
I'm real close to having
I got a laser, Dad! A
Oh.
blue one!
Nice.
Oh!
Awesome, Aiden.
Okay,
Noah?
this is the final lap of Aiden's
Noah.
present. Dad!
Noah?
Angelo!
What? What?
Oh, this is scary, this is scary. Oh, remote control! Spider! Oh, yeah!
Oh, wow.
Oh, this baby! Remote control!
Oh, my goodness.
Well, let's wait. Let's open everything else.
Yes, let's open
And
our
then we'll-
presents, then we'll get to
See,
play with
guys?
everything.
See? Mommy, see the remote control in there?
Wow.
See the remote control in there?
Oh, I see.
Mama, see?
Oh, that is nice.
Whoa, Mama
Mama,
likes
look.
bugs.
No, Mom.
Let Mama, she likes to play
No,
with
that's
that.
okay. That's cool.
Say boys do.
Yeah! I'm gonna open this!
Okay, well,
Okay, let's open some other.